Welcome to an in-depth look at a critical cybersecurity topic, APK Decompilation, and how it exposes the inner workings of Android app code to potential threats. This exploration is particularly relevant for Android developers and security enthusiasts aiming to safeguard their applications. APK decompilation is the detailed process of converting a compiled Android application package, known as an APK file that bundles bytecode, resources, and manifest back into human-readable source code for analysis. This reverse engineering process enables attackers to thoroughly analyze the internal workings of an application, revealing its core logic, embedded resources, and potentially sensitive information hidden within. Attackers commonly use specialized tools like JAX, which decompiles to Java code, or AppTool, which handles Somalian resources, to reverse engineer the compiled bytecode within an APK file. This conversion process renders the application's entire structure, functions, and components fully transparent, facilitating a detailed and comprehensive examination by anyone with the tools. Once successfully decompiled, attackers meticulously search through the code for various types of sensitive data that could be exploited for malicious purposes. This sensitive data often includes hard-coded API keys for third-party services, authentication tokens for secure sessions, and credentials that provide unauthorized access to backend services or user accounts. Attackers also scrutinize the code for proprietary algorithms that drive unique app features, valuable intellectual property, and critical business logic that could be reverse engineered, copied, or stolen outright. Furthermore, they actively seek out exploitable vulnerabilities in the code, such as insecure data storage practices that leave information exposed or improper encryption implementations that fail to protect user privacy effectively. Gaining a deep understanding of these common targets is absolutely crucial for developers to proactively implement robust and effective security measures in their apps. One of the most effective and practical defenses against the risks of APK decompilation is the strategic use of code obfuscation techniques. Code obfuscation fundamentally transforms the application's bytecode into a highly complex and convoluted form that remains extremely difficult for humans to comprehend or interpret, even after decompilation. Common obfuscation techniques include systematically renaming classes, methods, and variables to cryptic and meaningless names like single letters, encrypting sensitive strings to hide their content, and strategically inserting dead or junk code to confuse analysis. Although obfuscation does not completely prevent decompilation itself, it significantly increases the time, expertise, and computational effort required for an attacker to successfully make sense of and exploit the code. This deliberate added layer of complexity serves as a powerful deterrent, effectively protecting sensitive logic, proprietary data, and intellectual property from casual hackers or less determined attackers. For Android developers and security enthusiasts alike, a thorough understanding of APK decompilation processes is vital for building and maintaining more secure and resilient applications in today's threat landscape. By diligently implementing robust code obfuscation alongside other essential security best practices, we can substantially better protect our apps, user data, and backend systems from malicious actors and exploits. Always stay vigilant. Prioritize security in your development workflow, stay secure against evolving threats, and continue innovating responsibly within the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of mobile app security.